Hey everyone, welcome back to our SQL series. I'm Chidebere Arinze, and today we are diving deeper into the building blocks of database, tables. Understanding table is key to mastering SQL, so let's break it down. So, now that we have got the basics of how databases are organized, take a closer look at tables. Think of a table as a way to store related data about a specific subject. Tables are organized into rows and columns, but in the database world, rows are called records and columns are known as fields. Here is the deal. A table's field or column are set when the database is created, but there is no limit to how many records or rows you can add. This makes tables incredibly flexible for storing growing data sets. Now, let's talk about table names. This is where good table manners come in. When naming tables, keep them lowercase and avoid spaces. Use underscores instead. Ideally, a table name should refer to a collective group like inventory, but it's also fine to use plural names like products. Just keep it clear and concise. Let's look at records. These are the rows in a table, and they hold data about individual entries. For example, in our patrons table, each row represents a different library member. The record of Jasmine tells us she became a member in 2022 and owes $2 in fines. Now, fields are the columns, and they hold one piece of information about all the entries in the table. So in the patrons table, the name fields lists all the names of our library patrons. When it comes to naming field, think simple and singular. Fields should be lowercase, with no spaces. For instance, card_norm instead of card_norms, or name instead of names. Also, make sure no two fields share the same name, and avoid naming a field after the table is in, to keep everything clear when you are querying the database. Let's talk about unique identifiers or keys. These are special fields that uniquely identify each record in a table. In our patrons table, the card_norm field is a perfect unique identifier, unlike names, which might repeat as our library grows. Here is a tip. More tables with clear subjects are better than fewer overloaded tables. For example, keeping patrons and checkouts as separate tables make the data easier to manage and avoid duplicates. You can always use SQL to join these tables when needed, but keeping topics separate makes everything more organized. That's a wrap on today's lesson. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you are ready for more, check out the link in the description for a full tutorial on relational databases. See you next time.